how to pay your staff using a credit or debit card. Paying your staff on VirtualStaff.ph is a seamless process. Follow these steps to ensure timely and secure payments. Step 1. Reviewing invoices. Your staff can generate an invoice based on their recorded working hours. When an invoice is raised, it will appear in your dashboard under the to-do list. Click on Review Now Salary Invoice Request to view the invoice details. Alternatively, navigate to the Salary Request section from the left-hand menu. Locate the invoice that needs to be processed, and check the boxes of the invoices you want to approve and pay. To view the invoice, click the eye icon on the right side of the listed invoice. You have the option to view the invoice and approve or reject it. Step 2. Approving the invoice. Click Approve selected, verify the final invoice details, then confirm approval. There is also an Approve option when you want to view the invoice as per instructed above. Confirm the invoices to be approved, either one invoice only or more in one batch. Step 3. Process payment, consolidated or for one invoice. From Payment Processing tab, click Confirm Salary Payments tab. If there are invoices you'd like to return to unapproved status or exclude from the consolidated list for payment, you can simply remove them by clicking the trash icon. Step 4. Confirm and proceed payment. Review the payment summary, including total amount and the virtual staff rate. Click Proceed to Payment to complete. Step 5. Selecting a payment method. You have two payment options, card payment or bank transfer. Paying via card. Select card as your payment method and click Confirm. If your card details are not saved, click Add New Payment. Enter your card information and then click Proceed to Pay. Review the full payment breakdown and click Pay to complete the transaction. Once processed, the invoice status in the Salary section will change to Payment Processing. Adding cards and managing payment methods. Adding a card. To add a new card, navigate to your dashboard and click on Payment Method in the left sidebar menu. On the Payment Options page, simply click the Add Card button and enter the required details. Once you've filled in the information, click Add Card again to finalize the process. Deleting or changing payment details. Note: for security reasons, users cannot edit saved card details directly. If you need to make changes, you must first delete the existing payment method and then add a new one with the updated information. To delete a payment method, go to the Payment Methods page and click the Delete button, trash bin icon, for the card you wish to remove. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.